The interplay between veils and sublime volition evokes a profound tension between concealment and revelation, chaos and purpose. In this context, the veil represents obscurity or the layers that obscure ultimate truths, while sublime volition signifies the intentional force or will behind transcendent experiences. Together, they create a dynamic exploration of the sublime as both a concealed and purposeful phenomenon. Veils, concealment and revelation. Veils are a metaphor for the barriers that shroud deeper realities or truths, whether physical, metaphysical, or emotional. In the context of the sublime, veils can represent the limitations of human perception, the unknowability of the infinite, or the mysteries of existence. The sublime is often mediated through such veils. Its full power lies not in direct revelation but in the tension between what is shown and what remains hidden. For example, the veiled sublime can be seen in natural phenomena like mist-shrouded mountains or a stormy sea, where grandeur is only partially revealed. This partial concealment stokes the imagination, forcing the observer to grapple with the unseen, amplifying the sense of awe. Veils, then, serve a dual purpose. They protect us from the overwhelming force of the sublime while simultaneously deepening its mystery and allure. Sublime volition, purpose in transcendence. Sublime volition suggests an active, intentional quality within the sublime. Rather than being a passive force, an accident of nature or a neutral phenomenon, the sublime here takes on a willful character. It exerts itself with purpose, whether to overwhelm, enlighten, or transform. This volition can be experienced as divine intervention, the workings of fate, or even the expression of an impersonal cosmic force. The idea of volition within the sublime challenges the typical conception of it as random or indifferent. Instead, it becomes an active agent demanding engagement, or surrender from those who encounter it. Think of how art, architecture, or literature often seeks to embody the sublime through deliberate choices, a cathedral's soaring arches, a symphony's crescendo, or the towering narrative of an epic. These crafted experiences of the sublime are imbued with human volition that mirrors or channels the deeper volition inherent in nature or the divine. The interaction of veils and volition. When veils and sublime volition intersect, the sublime becomes even more profound. The veils heighten the sense of mystery, creating a tension that draws the observer in, while the volition behind the sublime hints at intentionality that transcends human understanding. The concealed force seems to act with purpose, whether to inspire, humble, or terrify. In theological or metaphysical contexts, this interplay can be likened to divine revelation. The divine is often veiled, through symbols, rituals, or sacred texts, but acts with clear volition, guiding humanity toward understanding or enlightenment. Similarly, in nature, a volcanic eruption might appear as an act of sublime volition, its destructive force veiled in clouds of ash and fire, simultaneously obscuring and revealing the creative and destructive power of the earth. Implications for human experience. This dynamic has significant implications for how we experience and interpret the sublime. The veils force us into a state of reflection, making the sublime more than just a momentary spectacle. They require us to engage with the unknown, to confront our limitations, and to wrestle with the possibility of a purposeful force beyond our comprehension.